We are working for MNC at least 8 to 9 hours per day. Some of the people you may work more than 12 hours. Okay, we are using our potential for the organization growth. Okay, parallelly, organizations also investing on us, which means they are providing month-on-month salary and bonus, incentive, everything. Okay, both sides benefit. If organization don't pay the salary, we will not report to the office, right? Some people, okay, some candidates, they fired because of dual employment. They argued with HR with aggressive tone, and because of which they got termination letter and they blacklisted, as well as organization initiated FIR case against him. Okay, if you did the dual employment or any overlapping happened, try to justify. If you have any genuine thought or genuine direction from your side, try to give the proper justification. Okay, if you really did the dual employment, yes, they will terminate you. Assume that if you run the organization, okay, assume that you are running the organization, I am joining in your organization, however, you are paying salary to me, I am not working for your organization. If I work for some other organization, what action you will take? Okay, the same things happened for 5 candidates. Aggressively they argued with HR, because of which they got fired, they got termination letter, and now FIR case booked against him. Okay, even though if they received relief letter from the organization, FIR case will create major impact in the background verification. Don't try to involve any malpractice, any misbehaving activities in public as well as in the organization in order to avoid FIR case. Okay. If you face any background verification related problem, happy to approach me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.